need to take those faces and move them up. So we'll go to a move component. We're going to move it up in the Z direction. And we have 57 of these, but we need to step this one up by 6, this one up by 6, but progressively up. So what we need to do, so this one by 6, this one by 12, this one by 12 plus 6. So what we'll do here is create a series component. And since we know how many treads we need, we can use, I'll actually bring this down here. We'll use the count of 57, stepping by 6, and starting at 0. So now we have the spiral created, but we can change the height of each tread. Now typically, the treads in inches are going to be 6-inch maximum. So you can always bring in a component or